Hi guys, what value of x is going to satisfy this equation? So guys, stick with me till the end because I am going to take you through one of the fastest way to find the value of x. On this side of the equation, one of the base is 9 and then the other one is 3. So the first thing I want to do is make the same base. So I can write this 9 as 3 times 3, which is equals to 3 square. So substitute 9 equals to 3 square, which becomes 3 raised to 2 raised to x minus 1 plus 3 raised to 2x minus 1 equals to 36. Now multiply this 2 with x minus 1. So 2 times x and 2 times negative 1, which is equals to 3 raised to 2x minus 2 plus 3 raised to 2x minus 1 equals to 36. You must be familiar with the quotient law of exponent, which states that a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equals to a raised to m minus n. When the powers with the same base are being divided, this will be equals to same base raised to the difference in the exponent. Now I want to break this one using the quotient law of exponent. 3 raised to 2x minus 2. I can write this as 3 divided by 3, and then now I can distribute the power. So this will be 3 raised to 2n and this will be 3 raised to 2. So I am applying quotient law in reverse way, which means I am going backward from a raised to m minus n to a raised to m divided by a raised to n. So this becomes 3 raised to 2n divided by 3 raised to 2 plus, again I want to break this using quotient law. So 3 raised to 2n minus 1. I can write this as the base will be same, that is 3 divided by 3, and now I can distribute the exponent, that is this one will be 3 raised to 2n and this will be 3 raised to 1. So this becomes 3 raised to 2n divided by 3 raised to 1, which is equals to 36. Let me erase this part, and this is equals to 3 raised to 2n divided by 3 square means 9 plus 3 raised to 2n divided by 3 raised to 1 means 3, which is equals to 36. Now when you look at this side of the equation closely, you will see something common. That is 3 raised to 2n is in both the terms. What I want to do now is that I want to take 3 raised to 2n common out. On this part, when I take 3 raised to 2n out, I will have 1 over 9 plus, when I take 3 raised to 2n common out from this part, I will have 1 over 3, which is equals to 36. Now I can add these two fractions by making the common denominator. 3 raised to 2n bracket 1 over 9 plus 1 over 3. I want to multiply 3 to this denominator, and I have to multiply same thing in the numerator as well to keep the equation in balance. And this is equals to 36. So 3 raised to 2n bracket 1 over 9 plus 1 times 3 means 3, 3 times 3 is 9 equals to 36. Let me clean this part and let me write this over here. 3 raised to 2n bracket 1 over 9 plus 3 over 9 means 4 over 9, which is equals to 36. Now I want to remove this 4 over 9 from this side by multiplying with this reciprocal. So 3 raised to 2n times 4 over 9 times 9 over 4 should be equals to 36 times 9 over 4. So you see that I'm multiplying by 9 over 4 on both sides just to remove this 4 over 9 from here. So 4 and 4 get cancelled out, and so does 9 and 9, which gives us 3 raised to 2n equals to 36 divided by 4 equals to 9, and 9 times 9 means 81. Now 81 can be written as 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So 81 is 3 multiplied for 4 times, that is 3 raised to 4. Now 3 raised to 2n is equals to 81 means 3 raised to 4. Since the base on the two sides are equal, therefore this exponent on the two sides must also be equal, which means 2n must be equals to 4. Now divide by 2 on both sides of the equation to remove the 2 from here. So the value of n equals to 2. Guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.